COVID-19 cases in India is on a rapid rise, but what's actually soothing is Health Ministry saying that the mortality rate in India is much lower compared to the other nations like United States, Brazil, Italy, or matter of fact, even France. The mortality rate in India is much lower, and that you can actually make out with the actual case load is much lower compared to the levels of recovery. We've had a huge recovery cases in India. And you have Piyush Goyal now, who is the Commerce Minister, saying that India will soon look at actually going ahead and exporting ventilators. And why is it that the Commerce Minister is saying this? He spoke actually at a virtual event at the Merchants Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Kolkata. And at that event, he said, and I quote, "There is not much requirement of ventilators, even those that were projected earlier are not being used. We may actually start exporting ventilators." This is the word coming in from Piyush Goyal, who is the Commerce and Industry Minister. Remember at the beginning of April, when New York was actually near the peak of COVID-19 cases, you had their governor come out and raise a red flag saying that New York only had 6 days of stockpiles of ventilators. Move ahead and you come towards the end of April, you have US President Donald Trump saying that he will go ahead and export the ventilators, thousands and thousands of them, to nations that are actually struggling. And why is it? Is because after New York went ahead and raised the red flag, they had to change some of the laws due to which you had increase in production of ventilators in the United States. They also imported some from other nations as well, that leading to a surplus of ventilators in the United States. Looking at the scenario globally, India in March itself decided that they will go ahead and they'll ban any exports of medical equipment like such as masks, or you had the PPEs, you had malarial drug, also sanitizers, and you have ventilators, which the government had decided to impose a ban on the exports, keeping in mind that in case there is a rise in the COVID cases in India, we should not fall short of these supplies. You also had a lot of huge players like Bharat Electronics, BHEL, as well as Maruti, which partnered with smaller players in India to go ahead and manufacture ventilators. And that is what actually Piyush Goyal is actually alluding to also somewhere in that particular speech, where he's saying that in the last 4 months, the country has added ventilators much more than what it has in the last 73 years. He's also saying that India has around 11,000 to 15,000 of ventilators in pre-COVID days. So with that number only, you can make out what a huge spike in the production that we've had in ventilators in the last 4 months itself, keeping in mind the situation and the respiratory issues that COVID-19 gets along with it. He also said that we had identified new manufacturers, and we had also asked the existing ones to ramp up their capacity. That has actually led to the surge in ventilator stockpiles in India. And as of now, this is what the Commerce Minister is saying, that India will soon look to actually go ahead and export ventilators.